You can't make this stuff up. While some politicians put up roadblocks or say that nothing can be done, here in California we are once again proving that we can take on the gun lobbies and protect our communities. You have effectively decriminalized shoplifting. Your streets are covered in about a foot of feces and syringes, and you are probably now paying more in state taxes than you are in federal. The only thing that you're proving is that every day is opposite day in the cesspool state of America. I got a hell of a story for you today. This one's from liberal ass Fox News. Governor Gavin Newsom of California, in my opinion, is breaking the law in two different ways. One, this goes after the Second Amendment. How can you sue somebody $10,000 in damages for an illegal gun if we have the Second Amendment? What exactly is an illegal gun? And the second thing that this does is it puts up a middle finger to the Supreme Court. See, me as an American, I have every right to sue a company like Dodge if somebody runs over my grandma with a Dodge Charger. I have that right. But if I do that, the judge is going to sit there, nod their head a couple of times, and tell me that I'm crazy. He is bypassing the judicial system, and he's just awarding people $10,000 per infraction with taxpayers' money. So in case you're new around here, I am about to do a news speed run. I'll take a couple of stories of the day. I'll compile the details down on the Cliff Notes. And if you want more, down in the description box will be links to where I found my articles. Having said that, Newsom signs gun control bill modeled after Texas abortion law. The California gun law Newsom signed would award $10,000 in damages per gun to private citizens who sue. Not win, but just sue in general. California Democratic Governor Gavin Newsom on Friday signed a gun control bill that would allow private citizens to sue anyone who manufactures, sells, or transports or distributes illegal assault weapons and ghost guns. What is an illegal weapon? The measure was crafted in response to last year's Texas abortion ban that prohibits the procedures once a heartbeat is detected or allows private citizens to sue physicians, drivers, or anybody else who aids the woman in receiving the abortion. We have a Second Amendment protecting gun rights. There is no amendment protecting abortion rights. The California gun law would grant $10,000 in damages per weapon to private citizens who sue. You see, you don't have to win in court, you just have to sue. Citizens would also be awarded the same amount if they file a lawsuit against someone who illegally sells firearms to people under the age of 21. I thought guns were 18. How? The bill was introduced after Newsom detected state lawmakers in December to draft gun control measures modeled after Texas abortion laws. The governor called for the legislation just days after the Supreme Court ruled on Texas heartbeat law. So you're doing this out of anger. You're doing this out of anger, and you're going to be hurting even more of your people than you are right now. Our message is to the criminals spreading illegal weapons in California is simple. You have no safe harbor here in the Golden State. Golden my ass. Newsom said in a press release Friday, while the Supreme Court rolls back reasonable gun safety measures, California continues to add new safe ways to protect lives and our kids. California will use every tool at its disposal to save lives, especially facing increasingly extreme Supreme Court. You are killing more people in your state this way than any other state. The bill was signed in Santa Monica College, the location 2013. Really, at this point, who gives a fuck, because you get the idea of the story. More Democrats doing things that legally they're not allowed to do, and they're just going to have to put up with it. I'm so happy that I live in Ohio. I hope this place doesn't go blue. But this has been Joshua Chirac. I hope you like. I hope you subscribe. Thank you for your time.